On behalf of the International Younger Chemists Network, my name is Bailey Morant, and we present the Virtual Visibility for Younger Chemists campaign. This is not a competition, but a platform for scientists around the world to share their research in the current climate. We are very excited to showcase a broad spectrum of topics, and we hope that you will interact with the presenters through social media to get more information. Remember that anyone under the age of 35 or within 5 years of their terminal degree is eligible for a free membership to IYCN. Please follow us on social media and check us out on our website, IYCNglobal.com.
My name is Zeinab Khalil. I'm a Senior Research Fellow at University of Queensland Institute of Molecular Bioscience. I was awarded my PhD in 2013, and since then, I spent my career to identify and evaluate the biological properties of new drug leads against diseases such as multidrug-resistant infections, spanning the field of organic chemistry, microbiology, genomics, and pharmacology. Microorganisms contain a large number of gene clusters that can remain dormant under normal lab conditions. However, they still possess antibiotic properties. I am interested to activate these gene clusters through applying either a chemical or a physical stimuli. Activations of these genes will provide the potential for upregulation of the next generation of new antibiotics.
I'm Dr. Angelo Frei. Welcome to my home office. I'm a researcher at the University of Queensland Center for Superdrug Solutions, and I'm originally from Switzerland. And as any good Swiss, I like cheese a lot. I came to Australia to investigate the ability of metal compounds in helping fighting bacterial infections. Now when you hear that, you might be imagining something like this. However, it's a bit more complicated than that. As you may have heard, antibiotic resistance is turning into a huge problem, making most of our antibiotics useless and causing thousands of preventable deaths. The current pandemic is making things even worse, as antibiotic use has skyrocketed to fight the many cases of pneumonia that are triggered by the virus. All the antibiotics we have today are mostly made out of carbon and maybe a few other elements, but overall they use less than 10% of the available elements on the periodic table. I'm interested in looking at the large variety of metals in the periodic table, and we've been able to show that metal compounds actually have a better chance at treating bacteria than purely organic compounds, and are not more likely to be toxic. In my current research, I'm working towards developing the promising metal compounds we've discovered to test them in a mouse model to see if they're viable candidates for clinical development.
Hello, I'm Torsten John, and I'm a postdoctoral researcher at the Leibniz Institute of Civil Engineering in Leipzig, in Germany. Welcome. I'm a biophysical and computational chemist, and I'm passionate about understanding how complex structures evolved in nature from simple building blocks. One such example are protein fibers, particularly amyloid fibers. These amyloid fibers are linked to a number of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's or type 2 diabetes. However, there are also functional forms of protein fibers known, for example, in spiderwebs. Next to my research, I'm a member of the board of the International Younger Chemists Network, IYCN, and if you are interested into my research or IYCN, let's connect on social media.